Im Jahr 2026 ist künstliche Intelligenz zu einer transformierenden Kraft in der Welt der Investitionen geworden. KI-gesteuerte Investment-Tools gewinnen schnell an Bedeutung und bieten Investoren neue Möglichkeiten, Märkte zu analysieren und ihre Portfolios mit größerer Präzision zu verwalten. Diese Plattformen nutzen fortschrittliche Algorithmen und Echtzeitdaten, um umsetzbare Erkenntnisse zu liefern, was es sowohl Anfängern als auch erfahrenen Investoren erleichtert, fundierte Entscheidungen zu treffen. Während sich die Technologie weiterentwickelt, verändert die Integration von KI in Anlagestrategien die Herangehensweise der Menschen an finanzielles Wachstum und Risikomanagement. Der Aufstieg dieser Tools markiert einen bedeutenden Wandel hin zu einer intelligenteren, datengetriebenen Portfolioverwaltung in der heutigen dynamischen Marktwelt.
Artificial intelligence is reshaping the investment landscape by introducing advanced data analysis and automation into decision-making processes. With the ability to process vast amounts of market data in real time, AI tools help investors identify trends, assess risks, and uncover opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. These technologies enable more precise forecasting and portfolio management, reducing human bias and error. As a result, both individual and institutional investors are increasingly relying on AI-driven platforms to make more informed, efficient, and timely investment decisions. The integration of artificial intelligence is setting new standards for transparency and performance in financial markets. Prospero.ai stands out as a leading AI-driven investment platform, offering users actionable stock picks and daily market insights. By analyzing trend signals, technical indicators, and real-time data, it curates a list of stocks each day to help investors identify promising opportunities. The platform features institutional-grade analytics, including momentum scores and relative strength metrics, which provide deeper context for decision-making. Its user-friendly interface ensures that both novice and experienced investors can easily access and interpret complex financial information. This combination of advanced analytics and accessibility makes Prospero.ai a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their investment strategy. Public Alpha is an AI assistant designed to transform the way investors interact with financial markets. By offering conversational market analysis, it enables users to ask questions and receive real-time insights in a natural, intuitive manner. The platform also streamlines trade execution, allowing investors to act on information quickly and efficiently. This combination of interactive analysis and seamless trading makes Public Alpha particularly appealing to those seeking a more engaging and accessible investing experience. As AI technology continues to evolve, tools like Public Alpha are reshaping how individuals approach investment decisions. AltIndex stands out in the AI investing landscape by harnessing alternative data sources to inform its stock picks. The platform analyzes social media trends, website traffic, and ESG signals to gauge market sentiment and identify emerging investment opportunities. By integrating these unconventional datasets, AltIndex provides investors with insights that go beyond traditional financial metrics. This approach enables both novice and experienced investors to access daily AI-powered recommendations shaped by real-time public opinion and sustainability factors. As a result, AltIndex offers a fresh perspective on stock selection in an increasingly data-driven market. FinRobot is an open-source AI agent platform designed to bring advanced financial analysis tools to a wider audience. By leveraging large language models, FinRobot supports multiple specialized AI agents that assist users with complex financial analyses and decision-making processes. Its open-source nature encourages collaboration and innovation, allowing both individuals and organizations to customize and expand its capabilities. The platform aims to democratize access to sophisticated AI-driven financial tools, making them available beyond traditional institutional settings. As a result, FinRobot is helping to reshape how investors and analysts approach financial data and strategy. Trade Ideas stands out as a cloud-based stock trading platform powered by proprietary artificial intelligence algorithms. Its technology continuously scans the market for profitable opportunities, generating trade ideas and executing trades automatically. Users benefit from advanced tools such as simulated trading, backtesting, real-time alerts, and customizable scanners, all designed to enhance trading performance. By leveraging AI, Trade Ideas aims to streamline the decision-making process, making sophisticated market analysis accessible to both novice and experienced traders. Each AI investing tool offers distinct features tailored to different investor preferences. Prospero.ai stands out with its daily curated stock picks and institutional-grade analytics, making it suitable for those seeking actionable insights and detailed metrics. Public Alpha provides a conversational interface for real-time market analysis and trade execution, ideal for investors who value interactive guidance. Alt-Index leverages alternative data sources like social media trends and ESG signals, offering a fresh perspective on market sentiment. FinRobot is designed for complex financial analysis, utilizing multiple specialized AI agents to democratize advanced financial tools. Trade Ideas excels in automated trading with proprietary algorithms, simulated trading, and robust backtesting capabilities. By understanding these unique strengths, investors can select the platform that aligns best with their investment style and objectives. AI-driven tools have significantly transformed the landscape of modern investing, offering investors powerful resources for analysis, decision-making, and trade execution. By leveraging real-time data, alternative signals, and advanced algorithms, these platforms enable both novice and experienced users to make more informed financial choices. The integration of artificial intelligence has democratized access to sophisticated analytics, fostering greater transparency and efficiency in the markets. As AI technology continues to evolve, its potential to further enhance investment strategies and reshape financial markets remains vast. The future promises even more innovative solutions, paving the way for smarter, data-driven investing.